Okay students, now let's have one practical question related with Heron's formula. Question number 1, they are telling a traffic signal board indicating school ahead means there is one traffic signal board and on this board they have written school ahead. Okay, is an equilateral triangle means this traffic signal board is in the form of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides will be equal with side A. Now they are telling you have to take that triangle as side A. Find the area of this signal board using the Heron's formula. They have restricted. Otherwise, if equilateral triangle is there, we can directly use the formula for equilateral triangle, but here they have restricted us to use Heron's formula, so we will use Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, they are telling that perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Means they are not asking the side, okay, but they are asking the signal board, area of the signal बोर्ड. तो हम एरिया तब तक नहीं निकाल सकते हैं until and unless we know the side. जब तक हमें साइड पता नहीं होगी तब तक हम एरिया नहीं निकाल सकते. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप we will find the side. So what we will do in solution, first thing we will write what is given. What is given? A traffic signal board. Shape कैसा है? Equilateral triangle. So either we can write an equilateral triangle its perimeter, its मतलब किसका, इस equilateral triangle का, तो an equilateral triangle with perimeter, जिसका perimeter कितना है 180 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ यू नो द फॉर्मूला. क्या फॉर्मूला है? पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. ओके, अब यहाँ पे सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स तो क्या हो जाएंगी? सम ऑफ सॉइल साइड्स a प्लस a. And what is your perimeter of triangle? They have given 180 centimeter. 3a है. Okay, a plus a. So what it will come? 3. 180 centimeter. So a is equals to 180 centimeter upon 3. Solve कर लेंगे तो what will come? a कितना आ गया? a will come 60 centimeter. Now A means side. Side is 60 centimeter. But they have not asked the side. They are asking the area. So again, before starting to find the area by a Heron's formula, हमें मालूम है, we all know that Heron's formula is equals to square root s bracket s minus a s minus b or s minus c. But before we starting solving this, we should know the semi perimeter. First we have to calculate the s. So what will be the s? S is equals to sum of sides upon 2, मतलब perimeter upon 2. So what will be the perimeter here? Perimeter is, they have directly given, what is they have given? Perimeter is equals to 180. Look here in the question, perimeter is 180 centimeter. So directly s is equals to, we will write here semi perimeter means s is equals to जो भी हमारा perimeter है we will divide it by 2. So s कितना आ गया हमारा? S we got 90 centimeter. Now what we are going to do? Look here, you will do in continuation. Okay, I am doing putting value in formula. You will put the values in the formula. So what form we get it? square root as it is. What is s came? S is 90. Okay, bracket में s minus a means 90 minus a. What is a? A is side. Side we are getting as 60. Again in bracket में 90 minus b. b भी यहाँ 60 होगा because it is an equilateral triangle. तीनों sides बराबर है. Okay, so what it will become? Keep looking. 90 into multiply कर देंगे तो you get 30. Multiply कर देंगे तो you will get 30 and again 30. हमने क्या करा? 90 minus 60. 30 आ गया, 90 minus 60, 30 आ गया, 90 minus 60, 30. अब don't multiply it. Use your logic. कैसे logic? अब trick देखना. मैथ्स में सिर्फ ट्रिक इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. 90 how we can split? We can split 90 as 3 into 30. 90 होगा. Remaining numbers I am writing as it is. अब it is the sign of square root, मतलब रूट में से बाहर निकालने के लिए we have to make groups of 2 2. तो हमने निकाल लिए. तो ये 230 है तो 130 will come out. Into ये 230 है तो 130 will come out. And root 3 will be as it is. तो ये क्या हो गया? Multiplied 900 root 3. Now you will put ये क्योंकि ये एरिया है तो you will put the unit as centimeter square and we will write here 10. लास्ट लाइन में से मिल जाएगा आपको 10 the area of the signal board is equals to 900 root 3 centimeter square, and this is your required answer. It's very easy chapter, just learn the formula thoroughly.